What's going on, great friends? I am on my way to an Erykah Badu art classic where you'll hear Erykah Badu and you'll get the opportunity to view some nice art. I love art, don't know what it is about it, but I love it. I'm also loving this off the shoulder ensemble here. Tell me what you think. I like because it's longer in the back here, and again, it's something about off the shoulder that just gives you a different vibe of class. Gotta put on my girdle. Yes, that's necessary, even though it's still giving me vibes, but I had a little clinginess going on, so I don't know what that was about. I tried deodorant because it says, I Googled it and I YouTubed it, and it said deodorant takes away the cleanliness, but it's not working. So I'm going to put my girdle on so that it is a silhouette and that everything is good. That's what I'm saying. I thought that there's something that you... There's something that
You got the rosé right here, Chardonnay. You got twisted teas. You got Mike's Hard Lemonade. You got Bush and Beer. So it's good. It's actually good. It's relaxing. It's calming. It's good. All right, bet.
From Jamaica, straight from Jamaica. All that straight from Jamaica.
Yeah, I tried one. The big green cabin.
And I'm going to be the host this evening, so thank y'all for having me as the host.
A shot is definitely in need. With salt around the rim, leave the bottle here so he and it can become friends. Couldn't wait to punch out. Need to go hear a band.
I could never make it in a store before a man gets to asking if I got one of him at home. And glad you lie about both your needs and reality. I think that them niggas keep you close like the black friend in the all-white group, thinking they cool because they drive a coupe too, but
So after the art fair, the spoken word, we had the opportunity to meet up with some friends that we love hanging out with. We hadn't seen them in a while, and we met up at this beautiful restaurant. We had been wanting to try it. Everything was okay, got some duck wings and some fries, but the showstopper for sure was this ice cream, this malt shake, y'all. This was worth the whole entire visit for sure. And ain't it cute? It looks delicious, and that it was.
You cute, but can you pray?
It's a discharge line, 3/4 inch diameter discharge line.
Okay.
From the top, it has to be all the way to 3 inches from the floor. It's attached to your house.
After the Section 8 inspection, I decided to go do some thrifting for a client looking for some things to stage our next home. They had a lot of unique things in here. It was a little overpriced in some aspects, but everything was unique and different. Things that you should look out for when you're staging a home, when you're decorating your home. You want unique, different, and a showstopper for sure.
Just wanna have some fun, yeah. I don't wanna fall in love. I just wanna have some fun.
Got the new blinds. Hubby didn't put them up. I like them, y'all. They are too cute. Look at that. I like also that you can let it up on the window. Okay, I'm a little late to the party. My people then came in here and got pretty much everything off the wall. Wow. In the kitchen. I am like real late to the party. I'm so proud of my people. They done came in here and got majority of the stuff up. We have actually sold this property. We rehabbed it from beginning until end and sold it. It was, look, what we got it for and what we sold it for, it was time. And it's okay. It's okay. So I think I'm going to, because I got some bags in the car, I'm going to go ahead and put that stuff in bags. But we breaking down the bed. This one was an office. And I am so happy for the homeowner. So in our business, what we do basically is help people become homeowners. We paid like $6,000 in closing costs for this lady. Yes, we did. And sold it as a really, really good price. So I'm happy for her. I'm happy that we can help someone to become a homeowner. And yeah, and we can move on to our next phase of buying another property, rehabbing it, making it a short-term rental for a while, and then selling it. That's what business is all about. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go out there and help put some of the stuff in bags because they took majority of the stuff. We got all the cabinets redone, the floor, everything, new appliances. Yeah, I'm late to the party, but they did a great job. Forget I get the door. So earlier today I did a Costco run and I found this black cod. Yum. Yeah, I can't wait to try that. I love their black seedless grapes. Their strawberries are always fresh and plump. And then this protein bowl. I'm excited to try this because I always need that extra protein in my life. Citrus, cilantro, it sounds so delicious. And then I always get a bulk of Olive Garden Italian dressing because we eat salads around the house a whole lot, and that salad dressing is the go-to. This strawberry shortcake is going to be perfect for dessert tonight. And y'all, if y'all had not had these, y'all better go get y'all some. This tastes just like the Girl Scout cookie. I am so addicted to this. I eat these constantly. And then this Motor City pizza, 5 cheese bread. They had it for a sample in the store. Kind of fell in love with it, so I ended up bringing it home. Not to mention, the wings at Costco are always super delicious. I get a bulk of romaine lettuce as well. And then this organic crackers. I typically eat these bagel chips with whatever I find to put it on. And it is an evening of relaxation because it has been a successful day. Time to take a bath, relax, drink my wine, and go to bed. So after a nice hot bath, this is one of my go-to items. I will leave the link below. It is whipped shea butter. It smells like lavender. And y'all, when I tell you this whipped butter soothes my skin. I don't know what it is, but as I've gotten older, my skin has gotten a little tighter. And I have been using other items as far as lotions and butters and things, and nothing really saturated and soothes my skin like this. I love it. I put it all over my body, my feet, my legs, everything. Again, I'll leave the link below.
Yeah, I can see the bourbon bread. Yeah, it's nice. I'm sure I'm not too.